at the dog park.
Hi, Mary.
Hi, Hannah.
Is that your dog?
Yes, this is my dog. His name is Toto. He is 5 years old. He has a gray face, brown hair and brown eyes.
Hi, Toto. Nice to meet you.
Are those your dogs?
Yes, they are. Luna is 2 years old. She has white hair, brown eyes, black nose. And Milo, he is 3 years old. He has black hair, black eyes and a black nose.
Hi, Luna. Hi, Milo. Nice to meet you.